Chris Walker here at Orr Auto Mall in Russellville, sitting in a 2023 Hyundai Tucson SEL with the 8-inch audio display, and I wanted to cover a few things on it just so you can see how to set up a radio, save your stations, do your favorites, that kind of stuff. So it's a little different than the 10.25 that I've done on another video in the Santa Cruz, but so just want to show a few things. Over here is your preset stations, as you can see. And if I want to get rid of a preset station, you see the star here is blue. So just take that blue off there and my preset's gone. And same thing here on the 540, take it out, move it, and it's gone. You no longer have that as your presets. To change your AM, FM station and bands, go to band, and you've got your FM, or you've got your AM or your XM radio. So if we go to FM, we can go to left and right buttons here to tune it, and it moves it individually, or we can go to menu and we can go to enter station, and we can enter whatever station we would like and hit OK, and it takes us to our station. If we want to set that as a favorite, just hit the star and it moves over here to your favorite, and then go back and we can go to another station if you like. You can do 98.1 maybe. Or if you mess up and you hit the wrong station, you can go back and enter in a different station number there. 105.1 maybe, and hit OK, and save it as a favorite. If you want to change and go to the Sirius XM, you can do that as well, and you can scroll, you can enter a channel and save, and there it is. And then the same thing, you can do that and it puts it down here in your favorites as well. So you can dual band favorites on the same list. I can also go to the menu over here and get a channel list of what is there, and I can skip channels, go forward. I can scroll by just using my finger here, or I can go back to my menu, enter a channel, 25, that's classic rewind. I can save that if I need to or want to. Real easy setup and all. And go back to the band, go back to the FM, go over here, and if you go to station list, that's going to list stations that you get reception for in your local area to where your vicinity is. So just wanted to touch base there and let you see that you can find your a station. So if you're in somewhere in Missouri or Mississippi and you hit the station list, it should bring up stations that are close to your locale. So help you find local stations without having to search through and just spend a lot of time doing that. It's Chris Walker at Orr Auto Mall. Hope this has been a good message for you. And we go back here, hit that, and we go to our radio screen. And I hope this has been a good video for you. Chris Walker at Orr Auto Mall, sitting in a 2023 Hyundai Tucson SEL model. Have a blessed day and enjoy. 479-747-0584. Chris Walker at Orr.